Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Karan and today we will discuss Ayush loan license. The Ayush loan license serves as legal authorization for those lacking a manufacturing unit but aims to engage with production through a third party having an Auyush Manufacturing license. In general, loan licensing allows businesses to get access to third-party production units on a loan licensing basis. So in what condition Ayush loan license is accessible? Number one is production facility located in an industrial area. Second one is the minimum size of the production facility should be 1200 square feet. Third one is ample space for handling increased production volume. Fourth one is GMP certification. Fifth one is the testing facility in the place. Sixth one is 2 Ayurvedic experts and 2 pharmacies. Seventh one is agreed to provide access to all the manufacturing and packaging machinery. Eighth one is fulfilled underlying inspection norms. Now let's discuss some advantages and disadvantages of Ayush loan license. First, I will tell you some advantages. Number one is a loan license enables the licensee to ensure minimal production cost for their products. Second one is it allows the licensee to eliminate overhead expenses that otherwise are more prominent in house production. Third one is labor management is not an issue with this license. Fourth one is licensees can skip maintenance cost and repairing cost, which is significant issue in the in-house production. Fifth one is the absence of in-house production means nil overhead cost and increased profit margins. Now I will tell you some disadvantages. Number one is a trade secret may be get exposed but if can be fixed through a non-disclosure agreement. Second one is complete control over the production line remains inaccessible to the licensee as it entirely depends on the contract terms. Third one is there is no way the licensee can upgrade the production line either by augmenting the present system or adding equipment without permission. Now I will tell you some mandatory documents required for Ayush loan license. Number one is letter requesting the operation facility to produce the medicine. Second one is consent letter. Third one is premises related documents such as rental agreement or sale deed or tax paid receipt. Fourth one is master formula in duplicate, clinical trial reports, book references for exclusive medicines, testing methods and reporting related to specification safety study. Fifth one is owner's photograph. Sixth one is in case of partnership firm, copies of partnership deed along with 2 passport size photographs of all the partners. Seventh one is in case of company, MOA, AOA or 2 passport size photographs of all the serving directors. Eighth one is in case of trust, copy of trust deed along with 2 passport size photos of the trustees. Ninth one is in case of proprietor, 2 passport size photos, identity proof, notarized copy of sole proprietorship. 10th one is key plan and site plan prepared in accordance with the Schedule T of Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940. 11th one is consent letter. 12th one is affidavit declaring non-conviction of director, proprietor, partner under the Drugs and Magic Remedies 1954 and Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940. Now I will tell you the procedure for securing Ayush loan license in India. First, a file has to be created enclosing the mandatory documentation. Then an application form for a loan license shall be filed. After that, the application shall then be furnished to the Ayush Ministry's respective state office along with the applicable fees. So in the end, Ayush loan license empowers businesses to access the production capabilities of another firm. With this license at disposal, companies with nil production setups can either into an agreement with another certified firm to meet their production goals. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. For more updates, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.